Good morning, afternoon, night, whenever you may be watching. My name is Christian and this is my Camaro SS1LE. Today we are going to be doing some much needed improvements on the back end, which is the LED reverse tail lights and license plate lights. These are from Diode Dynamics and I think it's a must-have. These are gonna look a lot better than the nasty original lights. You can go ahead and take a look and see what the original ones look like, but we're going to fix that today. And without further ado, let's jump right on in. Alright, so as you can see here, I've tapped both the wires on the reverse light here into the resistor from Diode Dynamics. This does come with it. I think it's like $10 extra for them. But yeah, so those are all tapped, and let's install the LED and make sure it works. Alright, cool. So as you can see, got the LED. It's looking good. It's not flickering. Old. New. Looks so much better. Alright, let's go ahead and button this up and get the other side done. Alright, cool, so we've got them all installed now. It's looking good. It's gonna look really good at night. I'll get some shots of that. The cool thing about this, I can't say this for every car, but at least for this Camaro, you only have to do the resistor on one of the sides. You might have noticed I did not do it on this side, and that's because it's done on that side, which affects both of them. So that's cool. Yeah, so this is an easy install, and really good fix. It looks really good, and I recommend them. It's diodedynamics.com. They got all kinds of lights, not just for Camaros, but for everything. Go ahead and check them out. I'll put their link in the description below, and let's move on. Okay, cool. So now that we have the LED reverse bulbs and resistors installed, and also the license plate bulbs, let's move on to the tires. So basically, the tires that come on this car are Goodyear Eagle F1 Supercar 3s, and they don't last very long. They grip really good. Right now I have about 9,000 miles on mine. Probably have maybe 1,000 miles left in them, but I went ahead and ordered these. As you can see, we've got Michelin Pilot Sport 4s and 305/30. And these seem to be the tire that everybody suggests for this car. It's supposed to last a little bit longer, still have good grip, be a little bit better in, rain and other weather other than just, hot summer weather. So, I'm gonna give them a go. I got a good deal on them, and I'm super stoked to get these on. It's probably gonna be about a week or so, and I'll do a good review of them once they are on and installed, and I've been driving on them for a while. But yeah, here they are. I also got a front one, so I'm doing all four, same tire, Pilot Sport 4s. So yeah, look forward to that review. And as always, if you are new here, please drop a like. hit that subscribe button, and let me know what you think of the LED reverse lights. I think they look really good. I'm gonna drop a clip in here at the end of them at night. So yeah, just let me know how you like them, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.